Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a win rate report in Salesforce. This is incredibly useful for tracking your team's success in closing deals and understanding which accounts are converting at the highest rates. Let's jump right into it. First, you want to click on the app launcher, which is the grid icon located in the top left corner of your Salesforce interface. This opens up your app menu where you can access all your Salesforce tools. From here, search for and select reports. This takes you to the reporting hub where you can view existing reports or create new ones. Once you're in the reports section, click the new report button. This initiates the process of building a custom report from scratch. You'll be prompted to choose a report type, so go ahead and search for opportunities in the search bar. Select the opportunities report type from the results, as this contains all the data you need about your sales pipeline. Then click Start Report to begin building your win rate analysis. Now you'll see the Report Builder interface. Click on the Filters panel on the left side of your screen. This is where you'll narrow down which opportunities you want to include in your report. Click on Opportunity Status and select Closed from the options. This ensures you're only looking at opportunities that have reached a final decision, whether won or lost. Click Apply to confirm this filter. Next, click on the Outline panel on the left. This is where you'll structure how your data is organized. Click the drop-down for Group Rows and select Account Name. This groups all your opportunities by account, making it easy to see performance on a per-account basis. Now comes the crucial part where you calculate the win rate. Click Add Summary Formula column in the Columns section. This creates a custom calculation field. Type win rate percent in the column name field. For the format, select percent and set decimal places to 0 for a clean whole number display. In the formula field, type 1:sum/closed:"sum". This formula divides the sum of won opportunities by the sum of all closed opportunities, giving you your win rate percentage. Click Validate to ensure the formula is correct, then click Apply to add it to your report. You're almost done. Click Save in the top right corner. Type Win Rate Report in the Report Name field and click Save again. Finally, click Run to execute the report and see your win rate data displayed by account. And there you have it, a functional win rate report in Salesforce that shows exactly how well you're converting opportunities into wins. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.